Cinco de Mayo, celebrated on May 5th, commemorates the Mexican Army's victory at the Battle of Puebla. It's a day rich in cultural significance, marked by vibrant decorations, traditional music, and festive gatherings. Whether you're hosting a lively fiesta or a cozy family get-together, adorning your space with authentic and colorful decorations can set the perfect tone for the celebration. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpedia, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What are essential elements for Cinco de Mayo decorations? Incorporating traditional Mexican elements can authentically enhance your decor. Sarapes, colorful woven blankets, can serve as table runners or wall hangings, adding vibrant patterns to your space. Papel picado, intricately cut paper banners, can be strung across ceilings or patios, infusing the area with festive colors and designs. These decorations not only bring vibrancy but also reflect cultural significance. If you found this tip helpful, please like and share this video with your friends. How can I create DIY decorations for Cinco de Mayo? Crafting your own decorations adds a personal touch to the celebration. For instance, you can create a DIY papel picado banner using tissue paper and scissors. This project is cost-effective and allows for customization to match your party's theme. Share your own DIY decor ideas in the comments below. What color schemes are appropriate for Cinco de Mayo? Bright and bold colors are synonymous with Cinco de Mayo celebrations. Incorporate hues like fuchsia, lime green, turquoise, and yellow into your decorations to evoke the festive spirit. These colors can be used in tablecloths, napkins, and balloons to create a lively ambiance. Subscribe to our channel for more festive decorating tips. How can I incorporate flowers into my Cinco de Mayo decor? Flowers play a significant role in Mexican celebrations. Utilize blooms such as marigolds, bougainvillea, and dahlias to adorn your space. These can be arranged in vases as centerpieces or used to create floral garlands, adding natural beauty and color to your decor. Check out our other videos for more floral decoration inspirations. What are some creative table setting ideas for Cinco de Mayo? Set your table with vibrant tableware and centerpieces that reflect Mexican culture. Use colorful plates, napkins, and glassware. Incorporate elements like small cactus plants or miniature piñatas as unique centerpieces to enhance the festive atmosphere. If you enjoyed this idea, please like and share this video. How can I decorate my outdoor space for a Cinco de Mayo party? Transform your outdoor area into a festive fiesta by hanging string lights and papel picado banners. Set up a drink station with a colorful tablecloth and provide seating with cushions in bright patterns. This setup encourages guests to mingle and enjoy the celebration under a lively ambiance. Share your outdoor decor ideas in the comments below. What are some affordable decoration options for Cinco de Mayo? You can find budget-friendly decorations at local dollar stores or online retailers. Look for items like plastic tablecloths, paper lanterns, and themed banners. Additionally, creating DIY decorations such as tissue paper flowers or homemade piñatas can be both cost-effective and festive. Save this video to your playlist for more budget-friendly decorating ideas. How can I incorporate traditional Mexican crafts into my decor? Including traditional crafts like papel picado banners and piñatas can add authenticity to your decorations. These items can often be purchased or made at home, offering a fun activity leading up to the celebration. Subscribe for more cultural decorating tips. What lighting options enhance the festive atmosphere for Cinco de Mayo? String lights, lanterns, and candles can create a warm and inviting ambiance for your celebration. Opt for lights in vibrant colors or traditional Mexican designs to complement the overall theme. Proper lighting not only enhances the mood, but also extends the festivities into the evening. Watch our other videos for more lighting decor inspirations. How can I involve guests in the decoration process? Engage your guests by setting up a DIY decoration station where they can create their own party favors or contribute to communal decor items like a collaborative mural or decorated photo booth backdrop. This interactive approach adds a personal touch and makes the celebration more memorable. If you found these tips useful, please like and share this video. What are some eco-friendly decoration ideas for Cinco de Mayo? Consider using reusable or biodegradable materials for your decorations. Fabric banners, real tableware instead of disposable, and decorations made from recycled materials can reduce waste and add a sustainable aspect to your celebration. Share your eco-friendly decor ideas in the comments below. How can I create a festive photo booth for Cinco de Mayo? Setting up a photo booth adds an interactive and memorable element to your celebration. Begin by selecting a vibrant backdrop that reflects the festive spirit of Cinco de Mayo. Options include colorful papel picado banners, Mexican sarapes, or themed vinyl backdrops featuring traditional patterns and motifs. For instance, a 5 by 7 feet colorful vinyl backdrop with Mexican-themed stripes and paper flowers can serve as an eye-catching background. If you enjoyed this idea, please like and share this video. Decorating for Cinco de Mayo offers a wonderful opportunity to celebrate Mexican culture with creativity and flair. By incorporating traditional elements, engaging DIY projects, and vibrant color schemes, you can create an inviting and festive atmosphere for your guests. Remember, the key to a successful celebration lies in embracing the spirit of the occasion and adding personal touches that reflect your unique style. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your own decoration ideas in the comments below.